Hi everyone, I'm Mars from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. Today we are in a very in-demand location which is Panchsheel Enclave. Very peaceful area and you must be aware of the gentry that is already living here. We have come up with a 265 square property right in here. We have a couple of floors available in the property. It's a park facing unit. We have a beautiful park right in front. Lots of greenery. If you see it from the balcony right outside, you're going to love the view as well. This is the outer facade of the property, and let me show it to you from the inside. So this is the stilt parking that you get with this property. The entry for the basement is separate, and really long parking that you get here. So 2 cars per floor you can park in here. The lighting work has been done really well in here. A few plants as well the builder has kept here, and the servant rooms you will be getting at the back side, one servant room per floor. And this is the lift area that is common to all the floors, so it's similar on all the floors that you will see. Here is the lift, and let me show you the upper ground floor. So here we are starting with the living in the dining area of this property, of this floor. So this area is separated by a sliding glass door which separates the main entry, the foyer area of this house, where the rest of the bedrooms are, from this particular area which is the living and the dining. Beautifully done up, really nice flooring work has been done all throughout using marble. Really nice false ceiling work you can see. We have a wooden false ceiling work also done here right above. We have a couple of split air conditioners as well in here. The builder has given some cabinet space also over here with a couple of drawers and mirrors over here. And this is the front side balcony of this property. Good amount of space in the balcony as you can see, and it is a park facing property. Right in front you have lots of green area as well, and this is also a one-way road that you're seeing right outside, so not much traffic you'll be seeing out here. A very peaceful location. We have a washing area here, and it also comes with the front side bedroom which is attached to this balcony. Let me show you this from here only. So this is a front side balcony. Similar kind of false ceiling work has been done, similar flooring all throughout the house you'll get to see. We have an attached washroom here. This is the split air conditioner that you get, and a wardrobe here. So this is the wardrobe that you get in this guest room, and really nice wooden work has been done on the outside as well. Here we have the attached washroom that comes with this guest room. Plenty of lighting in here as well, and plenty of space also. Really nice marble work done all around the walls, the flooring, this slab that you get here, and more lightings in this washroom as well. And here's the wash basin area, pretty huge mirror that you get. Here's the WC. We have storage down below in the vanity, and the shower area is also quite big, that is separated by this glass door. Let's see the other 3 bedrooms. So there are 3 bedrooms at the back. This is the main entry of the house with a really huge door that you get, and a really nice lobby area as well that you get right outside the lift area. Here's the lift right in front, and you get really nice sparkly walls on either sides, both the sides that you can see. And if you come here and have a look at this wall, it's all wooden paneling done on the door where the main entrance is, so it's giving a really beautiful look to it. So a really long foyer area we have on the right hand side. First we get the kitchen, also comes with a really huge door, and a lot of space in the kitchen to walk around as well, to work your way here. And we have this plenty of space on the slab as well. We have all the equipments that the builder has already given. We have the chimney, the gas stove, the microwave and the oven also, and plenty of storage area as well all around the kitchen. So we have cabinets down below also. On the top also we have these glass shelves as well. storage over here, and we have a separate washing area right here and a separate space given here for the refrigerator. So there's a separate washing area that you get here, and we have a shaft as well, windows over here for ventilation with an exhaust fitted already. This is the common washroom. This is actually the powder room plus the washroom that is attached to the second bedroom. So I'll show it to you from the bedroom only once we are here. So this is the second bedroom, a little smaller one out of all the four. Can be used as a guest room, also can be used as a children's room as well. So we have similar kind of false ceiling in here also. We have an air conditioner. It has connected to the shaft also for ventilation. So not very crammed up, very airy it is. And we have wardrobes given here. So this is a single wardrobe and a wardrobe here also. And let's see the attached washroom that we get, which is also the common washroom. So right when you enter, we have the shower area on my right, which again comes with a sliding glass door, plenty of space in here also. We have the wash basin over here, vanity space, and a really nice mirror with inbuilt lightings, and we have the WC here. So it is a common washroom, can be used as a powder also and attached washroom also. The ceiling that you're seeing in the foyer area is very nicely done up, very well lit up as well all throughout. Here is the third bedroom of this property. I've saved the master bedroom for the last. I'll show it to you after this. So plenty of space you get in here also. This is quite large, this room, a little similar to the master bedroom only, but both are similar size. You can use this one also as the master bedroom, that one also, but the washroom of that one is a little bigger compared to this one. So we have wardrobes right here. We have a split air conditioner, similar false ceiling work all throughout the house. The flooring is also similar. The same marble has been used all throughout the house on the flooring. Here is the attached washroom that you get with this third bedroom. So similar kind of a washroom that we saw in the first bedroom. We have the wash basin right in front when you enter. A really huge mirror with really nice lighting work done all around. The WC is right here behind the gate. We have a window for ventilation and an exhaust. And the separate shower area, it is separated by a glass door also. So it is also connected to the backside balcony, this room and the master bedroom as well. You get a good size balcony out here with safety grills also. We have a washing area right behind you. So you can set up your washing machine and the clothes dryer right here as well. This is the master bedroom, also connected to the backside balcony. Very spacious this room is. Similar flooring you will see in this room also. A different kind of a false ceiling work has been done in this one. The pattern is a little similar, but we have LED strips given here as well for more lighting, we can say. We have wardrobes given here in the master bedroom, plus we have wardrobes in the washroom also, that I'll show you. So walk-in wardrobe you get in this master bedroom. You have a really nice pattern given here on this wall, and we have a split air conditioner right here. This is the attached washroom. So in here we get wardrobes as well with glass doors. So these also come with automatic lighting. So we have a couple of wardrobes right in here, and over here we have a wash basin area, space for your utilities, toiletries and stuff, and a huge mirror right here. And we have vanity space down below, so plenty of space in here also. Behind the gate you get the WC, and here is the shower area that you get. So plenty of space in the shower area also. We have the rain shower right above, and we have a window for ventilation, which is very necessary in the shower area. I hope you guys like the property. The video that you saw, I've shown you the whole house, all the rooms, all the kitchen, the washrooms, and it's really beautifully done up. The finishing work has been really amazing. You get a really huge balcony with it. We have multiple floors available in the building, so you can have a look at multiple floors as well. Really nice view right outside. Very peaceful location right in the center of South Delhi. So if you want to plan a visit, you are looking for something similar in this location or any other location as well, you can book a site visit. you can give us a call. Our number is in the description below. So we'll be really happy to help you. Thank you so much.